Oh, yeah.
Dude, that's like held up like Nathan. What is it?
Listen to those are
This is the way she says he normally comes up. He comes up through here.
You're wild, dude.
This is as far as you can go. Unless you want to walk on the beams.
Imagine
Walk
like
on
coming here with someone who didn't know any better and they just stepped right there. That's what probably happened to somebody.
You step right there, that beam.
That's probably what happened to somebody.
Now, hold on, you just here.
Oh yeah, we can't go up here. Look, the whole floor is like
Get to the
missing.
beam.
This is pretty sick.
I think they were listening to the new M&M soundtrack in here. That's probably why it's burned down. Cheese and crackers.
This looks haunting, bro. This looks like a music room or something.
Yeah, where they play all the clarinetties.
You see him?
Spooky.
You trust this?
Yeah.
You've seen it if you trust me.
Smells like we're walking on a fire pit. Is this so? This is the school that was burned down that one day that we saw it on the thing on the.
On the news?
Yeah.
No, this is different. Emerson.
There's a wasp right there.
That's the other one.
Not going that way.
That's where I came from. There's already like those stairs up there, but if you go in this room or this room, go in there. It's cool. You might be able to get there through there.
This is crazy. Yeah, we're just walking on burnt school.
I think Nick's gonna come get us for another school. We'll be going to another school.
Who?
Nick?
Oh, he's gonna come eat us up?
Who's that? That the guy from the one day?
Making the baby noises? Yeah. Holy. What the hell? This is like the roof. That's like caved in on this. Holy. I think this place was on fire.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think it might have burnt down. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. It might be a bomb.
Some kind of inclination that this place might have burnt down. I don't know. Might have been on fire at some point. That's what I'm saying. It's like a crushes part. There's a ladder right there.
Where's it go?
Heaven.
Well, that's the roof we were walking on at one point.
It's probably like the stagehand entrance. How you look over there.
Oh, that's that room we were in earlier, I think. Maybe not. Unless it's higher up.
I think this is what I was over there.
Oh, look it. It's the
basketball court. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basement here.
It's above the basketball court.
And you should be a classroom above the basketball court. Thank you all for coming. And thanks for watching Adventure Boy.
Yeah, not bad. Was it sketchy? No.